Hi guys, I'm going to go over week 19 new grammar for the Abecedarians. Math, area of a circle. The area of a circle equals pi 3.14 times the radius squared. And what we're going to do is we're going to say the area of a circle equals pi r squared, pi r squared, pi r squared. The area of a circle equals 3.14 times the radius squared, all in the middle. And we're going to pretend at the end that we have a cookie and we're eating the middle of it. Okay, Latin, first conjugation endings, perfect tense. We remember the perfect tense because when someone gives you something perfect, we go, yee! So the tune is e isti it, imis istis errant. First conjugation, perfect tense. For science, what is the first law of thermodynamics? And we're going to say the first law of thermodynamics. And I'm doing this because it looks like a fire, okay? And thermo, it means, has to do with like heat, thermo, right? And dynamics is how it moves, okay? So we're studying how heat and energy moves. So the first law of thermodynamics states that energy, not only do we have to use energy to do this and create movement, but you can actually feel the heat energy as you do it. Because sometimes when you make a movement, some of that energy gets transferred into heat. The energy doesn't disappear, it gets transferred to heat. Cannot be created or destroyed. So the idea behind this is that energy gets transferred, but it's not actually created or destroyed. Okay, so everything, all the energy that God created at the beginning of time is still here in the universe today. Okay, a gerund. This is kind of a confusing concept for a lot of kids, so I'm going to be writing examples of how to use them in sentences. But then I also have a fun little rhyme to do your ears hang low to remember. And what I'm going to do is we're going to sing the little song together, and then I'm going to kind of read an example and talk through an example, and then we're going to sing the song again and kind of do that as a repeating pattern. So the song goes, a gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. Used as a noun. A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. And I'll be like, swimming is my favorite sport. And so a gerund ends in ing, and it seems like a verb because most of the time when you hear that word swimming, you use it as like, I had been swimming in the ocean when I saw the shark. That would be swimming used as a verb. But in a gerund's case, we're using the verb ing ending as a noun, okay? So you could almost replace these words with the word it. Like, it is my favorite sport because you're using it as a noun. So then we're going to sing it again. A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. Used as a noun. A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. Playing is great exercise. The word playing is a gerund. And then we'll sing the song again. A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. Used as a noun. A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. Okay, for the timeline. For Lincoln, we're going to make a big hat. Lincoln's war between the states, and here we have the northern states and the southern states fighting. And then we're going to say reconstruction of the southern states, and we're going to point down for southern. Where's Steele? Okay. Sorry about that. And then we're going to say Dominion of Canada because England came in and joined all these different areas of Canada into one territory. And then we're going to say Otto von Bismarck, a big O because it's Otto. So Otto von Bismarck unifies Germany. And then for Boer Wars in Africa, that's when a lot of people, I think it might have been like the Dutch and maybe different other European countries, the English, went to Africa to claim land and resources, and they were also warring with some of the tribal people in the area. And so we're gonna put a stake in the ground, like we are claiming land. Wars in Africa. And then for the Spanish-American War, the United States helped Cuba gain independence from Spain, and part of the motivation for that was we had